Hi guys, this is Arjun Bajpai from DevSoc, and I'll be the instructor in charge of the course Introduction to Android Development using Kotlin. Um, so, uh, whenever you use your phone or whenever you're using, say, any app on your phone, at times people wonder how how these apps functions. Like for example, how does WhatsApp work? How does Uber and Swiggy let you track your order and stuff like that? Like there are countless apps on the App Store and the Play Store right now, and it is very intriguing, at least for some people, uh, how these work. So if you're one of them, and if you wonder that okay, I'm using this app and maybe I want to know more about this and maybe build my own version of this app, then you have come to the right place. But why exactly should you go for Android development? I'm pretty sure most of you already know and have used Android devices, may it be a smartphone or a tablet, right? Android powers nearly 2 billion phones globally. That means uh, the entire market share of Android uh, is more than 50% of the entire smartphone market. Along with that, uh, this would basically increase your own understanding of how your apps work, right? And even in India, there is a huge demand for Android developers. Uh, okay, so you should learn Android development. That is a point. But why take this course? This we're recommending you to take this course because first of all, we'll be discussing and we'll be uh, targeting a language called Kotlin. This language was developed and is supported by Google itself, so you can have very seamless um, interaction between your code and what the viewer sees and what the user uses. Our courses will also be discussing basic backend interaction, which will which will let you use your app uh, with correspondence to databases like Firebase and even other APIs. We'll also conduct lectures on Git and version control systems, which are which is basically what the entire technology tech industry is based upon. So finally, this course will be taken by two of us, me being Arjun Bajpai and my mentor Aditya. We have been taking this course for uh, I have taken this course personally for 3 times, so I can say I have some experience in Android development right now, and so has Aditya. So we hope you uh, enjoy this course and do register for it. Thanks a lot.